In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add the PMA token to your MetaMask wallet. We will start with the Ethereum, and then we will show it on Binance Smart Chain. You first need to go to Etherscan and search for PumaPay. This is the PumaPay token. We need to copy the contract address, which is here. We then need to open our MetaMask wallet. Click Add Token. Choose Custom Token and paste the token contract address here, and then it should automatically take the token symbol and the decimals. We then click Next and Add Token. That's it. Now we have the PMA token on our Ethereum. Next, we want to do the same for Binance Smart Chain. So we switch the network to Binance Smart Chain. Now I need to go to BSC Scan. I search PumaPay again. Here, you will find the token contract address on Binance Smart Chain. You will need to copy the contract address and follow the previous steps. We open my MetaMask, check I'm on Binance Smart Chain. We add the token, click Custom Token, submit the contract address. You should see the token symbol automatically. Next, add token, and now I have PMA also on Binance Smart Chain on MetaMask.